What we see here, and one of the things that we have noticed across the country, is that there's really no commercial air distribution and balancing training system that really exists in the community college system. So what we decided to do was what you see in front of yourself there is a commercial air source, which is called an Intellapak. It was donated from one of our partners at Train. And what it is it allows us the ability to create a pressure high enough to exhibit the types of pressures necessary in a commercial building. With that comes different control strategies, different settings, different speeds, different flows, and different information that we need to assess and evaluate if that air distribution system is working properly. So, within this system, we have multiple scenarios that we can exhibit out of that ductwork to simulate not only temperature rise, but a temperature fall, outdoor air, and also how to properly balance each and every component and piece of equipment that exists on these types of systems across the country. This is another huge component of HVACR, the ventilation component that exists in programs for high performance building technicians.